How to put GIFs in Instagram comments. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have latest version of Instagram. So as you can see on the screen, there's an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So just tap on open, and as you tap on open, make sure that you're logged into your account in your Instagram. Now select on any of the post that you want to comment over here. So I'm gonna go for this post over here and tap on the comment section, and here you can see the GIF section over here beside the message box. So tap on GIF, and here you can see different GIFs that is available. You can also search for it over here on the search box. Now you can just simply search for any GIFs and then you can just add it over here. I'm gonna just select again and select the GIF. So I'm gonna search for it and let me just post it. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.